Hey guys, it is the Day of the Dead, Friday, November 1st, 11:01 p.m. and it's matches the same time and day. So, fortunately, was in room box. The hobby was set over there because it was a bit risky. Securities are walking nearby. I'm gonna open it up here. I was gonna save it for next Friday, but it's because all the places that I wanted to go were just too far to. But yeah. I had plans to take it, left it in the car, but there was just so many security guards walking by. I don't know how you said it looks like there. I haven't opened anything up here yet, so let's go ahead and do that right now. So this is my first time opening HWC set on the roof, and this is not even done yet. So, but there's a car elevator, so without that, it would probably be not too fun without that car elevator. So. This is the only table I have, so you have this right here, instructions.